वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. Hello, friends. Welcome to Sikh History Sakhi podcast. I am Harpreet Kaur, your host. In the last episode, we discussed how Guru Nanak Ji was taking tests for the next Guru of Sikhism, where Pai Lehna Ji was emerging as a beloved disciple of Guru Nanak Ji. In today's episode, we will move towards the final test. Friends, Pai Lehna Ji stayed in Kartarpur for almost 7 years. During this time, his love, devotion, and selflessness surpassed every measure present in world. He was the most dedicated person in Guruji's disciples. Pai Lehna Ji's love to Guru Nanak Ji was not limited to appreciation alone. It took the form of selfless dedication and a strong desire to serve him. He took on a variety of roles as discussed and served Guruji's purpose and community with unshakable commitment, demonstrating his humility and sincerity. As mentioned in Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji, Seva karat hoye nehkami, tisko hoth prapat swami, meaning one who serves without desire for reward alone attains the Almighty. Such was the service of Pai Lehna Ji. Now, unknowingly, Pai Lehna Ji went through various tests put forth by Guru Nanak Dev Ji, and he never doubted the intentions of his Guru or questioned them. It was as if that his whole world revolved around Guru Nanak Ji. He followed Guru Ji everywhere like a shadow. Now, every morning at Amrit Vela, Guru Nanak Ji would bathe in the river Ravi and meditate in the neck deep water. He was often accompanied by Pai Lehna Ji and other devoted Sikhs. During the time Guru Nanak Ji meditated, Pai Lehna Ji would sit holding and caring for his clothes. This was a daily routine for Pai Lehna Ji. It so happened that one morning during the winter season, black clouds formed, chilly winds blew, and it started raining heavily. The other six left feeling quite helpless and struggled to get home trembling and shivering. However, Pai Lehna Ji stayed. He held on to Guru Nanak Ji's clothes to protect them from the rain. But because of the rain, Pai Lehna Ji's clothes got soaked. He felt intense cold. His body became blue and he passed out. When Guruji came back and saw him lying unconscious, he touched him with his sacred foot. Pai Lehna Ji regained consciousness and immediately sat up. All well. Guru Nanak Dev Ji then asked, "What happened to you, Lehna? Why were you lying like that?" Pai Lehna Ji then said, as mentioned in Sri Nanak Prakash, "Suniye Prabhu dasha jas mori, bastar peej pa sheet kanera, जुटे दंत तन गिर गयो मेरा, चरण कमल तुम आन छुहावा, तत्खिन सगरो शीत नसावा, अब सुचेत पा मोर शरीरा, रावर पंजत हो सब पीरा." My dear friends, We are about to witness Bhai Lehna Ji's selflessness and dedication to Guru Nanak Ji. So listen carefully. Bhai Lehna Ji then said to Guru Nanak Ji, "My lord, it rained, and because of the cold weather, I shivered and I fainted. However, I am grateful for that because with your holy touch, I am all well now. I am blessed to be touched by your holy grace. With your blessings, I am all well now. You, my Lord, are the only one who ends the sufferings of this world." Friends, there are many sakhis about the obedience and love of Bhai Lehna Ji, telling us how he gave up his ego and followed the path shown by Guru Nanak Ji. As today, he never once said or proved that he was the only one who stayed with his Guru, but he was grateful to just be touched by his Guru. Guru Nanak Ji was pleased to see such dedication of Bhai Lehna and blessed him. Now, my dear friends, after a series of hidden tests, Guru Nanak Ji put his followers to one final test. And for this test, Guru Nanak Ji put on a terrifying disguise, as mentioned in Sri Nanak Prakash. "ਇੱਕ ਦਿਨ ਛੁਰਾ ਬਾਂਧ ਕਟ ਸੰਗਾ, ਤਾਣਕ ਰੂਪ ਧਰਿਓ ਸਰਬੰਗਾ, ਅਨਕ ਸ਼ੂਕਰੀ ਆਗੇ ਕੀਨੇ, ਕੂਕਰ ਕਿਤਿਕ ਪਿਛਾਰੀ ਲੀਨੇ, ਪੁਰਤੇ ਨਿਕਸ ਵਹਿਰ ਪੇ ਠਾਂਡੇ, ਸਿੱਖਨ ਦੇਖ ਬਿਸਮਤਾ ਬਾਡੇ." Meaning, one day Guru Nanak Dev Ji came out dressed in ragged clothing and an open knife in his possession. He had an angry look on his face. He brought along a few hunting dogs with him. After this, Guru Nanak Ji went into the forest and asked his disciples to follow along. This sudden change in the holy appearance of Guruji scared people, and feeling dejected, most of the disciples went back to their homes. A few of them spent a day or two with Guruji, but then they too left. While walking, they came upon what seemed to be a body wrapped in white fabric. Then Guru Nanak Ji commanded his disciples to eat it. Tune in next Tuesday to know what happens next and how it changes everything. I hope this brings some value to you and your family. Thank you.